That's right, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about how to get 100 subscribers in 1 to 2 weeks. I'm not going to give you no mishmash crap. I'm keeping it honest, 100% real, because this is going to take up a lot of time and it's going to be a lot of work, so be prepared. All right, let's get straight to the point. Pro tip number 1, let's go. Pro tip number 1, make sure you join Facebook groups and forums that share the same interests and goals as your YouTube channel. So if your YouTube channel is like mine, it's about DIY and woodworking, make sure you join groups like that in Facebook and forums out on the web. Why? Because when you join these groups, right, and you share your video, there's people in these groups that share the same interests as you. So if it's a group of 10,000, you might get 2 or 3 subscribers from it if they like your content, or they might like and share to their people on their Facebook friend list. That's one pro tip. Pro tip number 2, let's go. Pro tip number 2, ask your friends and family to sit there and watch your video, like, and share it to their Facebook pages or Instagrams. This is going to help you get your content out there to a massive people. Now, on to tip number 3. Tip number 3, start commenting on other people's videos that share the same interests as your channel. Don't ask for sub or put some smooth words and say, hey, if you like, I liked your video, I subscribe to you, come subscribe to me. No, don't do that. Just make a nice, genuine comment if you like their video, or give some advice or ask them a question that might help you out and build your channel. When people see it, they're like, oh, this guy's legitimate, and they might click on your icon, go check out your channel. If they like what they see, they'll probably subscribe because they have the same interests as you. This is a bonus tip. It's one that I learned lately because YouTube is kind of new to me. Even though I had a video up there last year, I wasn't really consistent. And now what I'm trying to work on is better quality videos and high quality thumbnails. So what I'm about to do now as I make this video is search videos on how to create cool looking thumbnails. So with that, you guys have a good day. Hope this video helped you out. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.